Hi, this is Affleck1024 and I'm here today to show you how to fix your iPod Touch. So as you can see here, it's in all these weird words, and when you go to your computer, the jailbreak process isn't working. I don't know how you can see that, but it says iJailbreak not responding. It's not working. So what you're going to need to do is first, you're going to need to force quit iJailbreak. Don't worry, it doesn't mess it up. Sometimes it may take a long time. Oh, there we go. The application, quit while unresponsive. And you can ignore. So as you can see, nothing happens. Didn't really fix it at all. So what you're going to want to do is hold down that button right there and that button right there until this iTunes logo and Apple come up. I'll show you what it looks like. It's going to turn off, turn back on. That's going to come up. And you can just let go of the buttons. Go into iTunes. And there. So it says iTunes has detected an iPod recovery mode. You must restore your iPod device, and then you just do restore and update, extracting software. So it's gonna, all this time while it's extracting, it's just gonna keep like this. And so then it's gonna turn it off or reboot it, go to the Apple, and it's restoring iPod or preparing iPod for restore now. And that circular thing will start. Apple. And then it's restoring iPod software. And it's still at that screen in this process. So if you do this and you bought the January 2008 software pack, don't worry, it will still be on your computer. You don't have to buy it again. It will, when you just sync it, it will sync it up again. I'll put it back on, so don't worry. So the iPod is still at that weird screen. And then it is almost there. Okay, it's there. It's doing that little swirly thing, and while iPod is still there. Verifying iPod software, what it says. So, this is taking a long time, but don't worry. It doesn't normally take this long, but it will if it needs to. So then it's verifying iPod restore now. Still same screen with the iPod. Restoring iPod firmware. Still same screen with the iPod. Make sure your computer doesn't fall asleep. Your iPod has been restored to factory settings, and it is restarting. Please leave your iPod connected. It will appear in the iTunes menu after it starts. This message will be dismissed in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, as you can see, it's in restart mode. Starting itself up. That comes up. Hear that little clicking noise. You don't want to unlock it, and then it syncs, starts syncing. Comes to this page, set up your iPod. You're gonna want, if you want to get or if you're gonna want to jailbreak it again, you're gonna have to set up as a new iPod. I don't know why, but if you don't set it up as a new iPod, the jailbreaking won't work. So set up as new iPod. It's gonna do RPs. So then you name it, and then you're gonna want to click the top one, automatically sync songs to my iPod. Click done. This screen will pop up on your iPod syncing in progress. Do not slide. Slide cancel now. Do not slide. And then up on the top it says, I don't know how you can read that, but it's updating files on RP's iPhone. And then it will put all the songs on it. And so, yeah. I'll just wait for it to finish that. This may take a long time since I have a lot of songs, but eventually it will be done. So it's still at that sync in progress screen. Whatever you do right now, if you take out the cord on the iPod, it will break it up permanently, like just permanently. And if you have any jailbreak software, and which I still have, they have to download all the songs and be done with the sync in progress before it automatically undoes everything. So if I were to take this out, then my iPod would be bricked permanently, and then when the iTunes would go to fix it, they'd know that I have jailbreak on it, and they wouldn't fix it, and it'd cost me tons of money, because I had the warranty. So whatever you do, do not take this thing out till I tell you, and do not take the power cord out. That is what's supplying your computer with power. So whatever you do, don't take those two cords out. Okay, so it's almost there. So, okay, it is done. iPod sync done. So then you're gonna just slide it to unlock, and then this thing's gonna happen. Edit home screen, you know, just like you just opened up your iPhone or iPod Touch for the first time. You're just gonna want to click dismiss, and as you can see here, a regular iPod Touch or iPhone with all the normal applications, no jailbreak, no nothing. Okay, and yeah, it's the same with the computer. And that is, you can do that with any version. Mine is on, I don't know how you can see that, but it's 1.1.4 with software upgrade. So you can do that with 1.1.3, 1.1.2, 1.1.1. Any software. It'll probably work for the new ones if they do make, which they will, I bet. It'll work with anything. So that is it for today. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.